Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you so much, sir.
Happy morning to all. First I welcome and glory to our God. God is good all the time. He put us all down. Do not fear. He will guide you. He will keep and save from the good. He had a promise to never leave you, nor forsake you. And His word is விடுதலை சிறுத்தை கட்சி and you Bashir Ahmad, head of the Jamaat institution, and Arif Nisha Repudan, vice president of Tirukalachery, and I welcome last year 12th topper student.